Okay, we are staying at 9201 at Pop Century Resort. It is a pool view room. This is the pool from the 80s and 90s area. And let's go in. So, this here is a queen size bed. Not going to pull it down, but you can see it's a queen size bed. It converts into a table and chairs. We have lots of outlets, USBs, storage space. Turn around here. Little coffee machine, stuff to put ice in, some cups, more chargers, and a fridge. We have some bins. We have some more storage space. A good thing about these beds is you can store bags under there. We have the Mickey lights. I'll light those up. Oh, yay! I've turned one of the lights on back here too. We have a little thing from the manager welcoming us, telling us about mobile order. We are all over that. There we go. There's a Mickey, so a queen size bed. To your left, right next to the massive TV and the storage space, we have some hooks. These are really good to put your bags on. We use them all the time. And in here we have the bathroom. Let me just turn the light on. All right, bam, light. So much light. Okay, we have a tiny little cupboard space here to hang stuff up. Some more storage space. An ironing board, which means there'll be an iron around here somewhere. Some more storage space. Some more under the cabinet storage space. Towels, one sink, a giant mirror, another mirror, some toilet paper, blow dryer, more storage space, has a lot of storage space. And then fairly simple, we have, ta-da, the shower and the toilet, the necessities in life. But I really love the shower. It is very nice. And that is a basic overview of a room at Pop Century. Quite big, quite spacious. Obviously when you pull the bed down, it does take up a fair bit of room, but it's very nice. Here we go, we're pulling the bed down. Oh God!
What's under that table?
And look at Pluto! That's another queen size bed.
There, that table.